Hey guys, I am here with Sean at the Brea Classic, and he's picking up a happy gun today. Tell us a little bit about yourself, Sean.
So I'm a financial planner here, but I work out doing CrossFit, and so I have a lot of tight muscles after a long week of hard workouts. So this is exactly what I was looking for. I was thinking about getting the Theragun. I actually started the process using my brother's military discount, but then we saw this, and the quietness of the gun, the 3 set speed settings instead of 2, it just made sense to get this, plus the price match is a no-brainer.
Right on. Thank you so much, Sean. I'm excited for a happy body, you know?
I'm looking forward to it.